Welcome everyone, this is TMJ. So you all are watching me on SJ Tutor YouTube channel. In this video series, we are going to talk about digital marketing, marketing strategies, marketing tips and tricks, and a lot more. We all have heard the term digital marketing, at least in our lifetime. Digital marketing is one of the emerging topics that we all have been discussing, talking over the past few years. But still there are many people who don't understand the basics of digital marketing, still thinking that digital marketing is all about creating contents and posting on social medias. That's all. That's not true at all. In this video, we are going to talk about the basics of digital marketing, which will give you a clear picture about it. So let's get into the topic. There are a lot of definitions for digital marketing in internet, colorful definitions. But in a nutshell, digital marketing is all about doing marketing using the digital technologies. It means the brands, companies use the digital communication channels to reach and engage with their audience in order to sell their products and services. When we say digital communication channels, digital technologies, we can't limit them within Facebook and Google. We have a lot of more technologies beyond that. We are using emails, we are using mobile applications, we are using video production. Even nowadays, we are using artificial intelligence for marketing. For such popularity of digital marketing, there are several reasons behind that. Before we get into that, let me explain a quick concept called traditional marketing. Before the presence of digital marketing, we have used traditional marketing. We have marketed our products and service in a traditional forms, traditional communication channels like newspaper, not blog articles, it's magazines, leaflets, billboards, television, radio advertisements, like that we have used in a traditional marketing. But still, these traditional communication channels give a positive results to the brands. But there are several reasons for a brand to go behind the digital marketing. The first thing is high reach. So comparing to the traditional marketing, the brand can reach more audience using these digital communication channels. Even the brand can target anyone in the world to promote their products and services. The second thing is reach the target audience. If you want to reach that exact specific target audience, that is not possible in traditional marketing. You can target the people with a similar interest. You can target with the people who have studied in a particular schools using these digital tools. The third thing is instant results. If you are running a marketing campaign, you can get the insights of that campaign instantly with the help of these digital tools. If you are running a marketing campaign, then you can see how many people that you have reached, how many conversations you have started during that marketing campaign, how many people have engaged with the advertisement. You can get these insights while you are running those campaigns. But in traditional marketing, after you're running that particular marketing campaign, then we have to wait for the sales report to get the insights. Don't wait too much. Last but not least, the cost is very minimal in digital marketing. So comparing to the traditional forms of marketing, the cost is very low in digital marketing. You can even start your advertisements or digital marketing campaigns from $1. But if you want to do the traditional marketing campaigns, at least you have, I think, $50 or $40. Nowadays, the brands are using different types of digital marketing to boost their marketing efforts. Keep in mind that some companies may use multiple channels to create the marketing campaigns. Let me start with the search engine. If you are searching something on Google or in any other search engine, you get two types of results. One is paid results, another one is organic results. The results which appear on the top with an advertisement tag that we called paid results, and the results which appear below the paid results are we called organic results. So to appear in the organic results, brand conduct search engine optimization. The brands are going to optimize their website contents to appear in the top of organic results. The brands can increase their visibility. They can increase the quality and the quantity of the traffic who are visiting their websites. When a particular website appears on the top, the brand can increase their visibility and they can reach more audience. So to appear in the paid results, the brands are conducting search engine marketing, also we called pay per click, PPC. The brand have to conduct some sort of advertisements to appear on that. So to appear on the top of the Google search engine results page, the brand should have to approach Google Ads. So in Google Ads, we not only have the search advertisements, we also have video advertisements which appear on the YouTube channels, YouTube videos. We have mobile app advertisements, we have display advertisements and more. After search engine optimization and search engine marketing, we'll dive into email marketing. Some people may confuse the email marketing with the spam emails that they receive. But email marketing is not that. Email is a very personalized digital communication channels which brands use. The brands send commercial messages via emails to their potential audience. And the next, affiliate marketing. The influencers promote the products and service of a particular brand and earn commission for each sales that they make. Nowadays, most of the social influencers are doing this affiliate marketing. There are more affiliate programs available on the internet. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, then you can join right now in any affiliate programs available. Then social media marketing. So this is not a new thing to us. So brands use social medias to reach more audience, to engage with the audience and make sales using the social media channels like Facebook, Instagram and a lot more. At last, the content marketing. We all have heard that content is the king. The content may be in the different forms, like the content may be an image, video, audio, memes, like anything. The brands create the contents and share among their audience to educate, entertain them, to create an engagement with them and create a customer loyalty and to retain them. Right guys, so we have come to the end of this video. In this video, we have learned the basics of digital marketing and the different types of it. From the upcoming videos, we are going to learn each of these types and how to succeed as a business. So don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any question and share with your friends. Keep following us for more updates and knowledge. Thank you.